Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about the design tab for the Anise blog site. I'm currently in the ITDR admin and I'm under the design tab here. So from the drop down I'm going to pick the design and I'm going to go over some of these tabs to kind of give you an idea of what your options are as far as design goes. So the first option is the logo, and this main logo is going to be right here. You can see that we have it as a JPEG and it has the same color as the background. If you like, you can make this a transparent ping so that it changes with whatever background you have and it doesn't have this box effect back here if you were to change the color back there. We have the header height, which is going to be this height right here. So if you want to play around with that, you can. And we have the blog width, which is going to be the whole blog width here. So if you want your blog to be wider or thinner, you can go ahead and do that as well. And then we have the border color. It's going to change up the items like this, these lines. So it's going to be these accent lines here. So if you wanted to get rid of these lines, you could actually make it the same color as the background, and then they would blend right into the background. And then you have the transparency color, which is going to be these items right here. So let's wait till we get to a lighter image and you can see them a little bit better. So you can see this dark color right here. You can change the transparency color. And then you have the search background color, and that search background color is going to be right here. And then in the blog posts, you have the ability to change the space between the images. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the blog area, and it's going to be this space that you see right here. So if you want to make it wider, you can go ahead and make this larger, or make the gap smaller, you can go ahead and make this smaller. And now let's go ahead and go to the background tab. What you're going to notice right now is our background is a solid color. And I'm going to go back to the home page so you can see it a little bit clearer. This background's a solid color, and so basically it's blending this top color into this bottom color, and they're both the same color. But you can go ahead and change this so that it blends into two different colors. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and you can see that the top gray color is now blending into that bottom color. I'm going to go ahead and change this to another color. Save it. And now it's going to blend that green into that mustardy yellow. So let's go ahead and change these back. And click Save. And we took the same color, put it in, and it's going to go ahead and change. Now, like anything else on the colors, you can go ahead and click here like I did and pick a color, or you can paste in a color that you like if you have a specific branded color, and you can paste it in and it'll change it to that. If you don't want to use a color back here and you want to do a background, if you want to do some sort of background image, you can go ahead and do that. You can tile a background, so a little pattern. You can upload a large background, and once you upload whatever it is, whether it's a small pattern or a large image, you have the option to fill the frame or tile it, and you have a couple different options in here, so you'll want to take a look at those as well. Like I said, the fonts we go over in other documentation, so I'm not going to go over that, and that covers the general options you have for this template. I hope it was informative, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks.